Hello guys, this is Nadeem from Maths TV. Hope you will like this video. Before starting, I just wanted to invite you to be a part of our YouTube family. You can do this by just clicking the red subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you get notifications for newly released videos. And do not forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. Without wasting your time, let us start. Hello guys, today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core 058011 October November 2017. Question number 1. The diagram shows a quadrilateral. Find the value of x. So three angles are provided. We have to add and subtract from 360. So 360 minus 83 plus 104 plus 72, this will be equal to 360 minus 83 plus 104 plus 72, and this will be resulting to 101. So we can write 101 degree. Answer will be 101 degree. Question number 2. A watch costs $80. The exchange rate is this one, Japanese yen. Work out the cost of the watch in yen. So this 80 will be dollars will be multiplied by the conversion ratio, conversion rate, and we will get 80 multiplied by 124.3. This will be resulting to 9944 yen will be the answer, and we will provide answer at the proper place. Work out this one, par rule. So pars will be added, 2 raised power minus 4 plus 5, and this will be equal to 2 raised power 1, which is equal to 2. So answer will be 2. Question number 4. Amber's mean mark on 5 tests is 80. Her marks on 4 of these tests are provided. Work out her mark on the 5th one. So mean is what? We are adding these numbers 68, 81, 74 and 89. Plus 5th one can be x and divided by 5, and they have provided us mean which is 80, so we write 80, and this will be added. If we add 68 plus 81 plus 74 plus 89, and this will be equal to 312. So 312 plus x over 5, we can shift to this side, is equal to 80 into 5. This will be 400. So x will be equal to 400 minus 312. So this will be 400 minus answer will be equal to 88. So our answer will be 88. Hope you are understanding everything. Now we are moving to question number 5. Write 18.766 correct one decimal place. So one decimal place we have to remove from here. We need 7 only, we don't need 6. So this will be 18.8 because this is more than 5, so it will be 18.8. Our answer will be 18.8 over here. Two significant figures, so we require 1 and 8. So these things will be removed, so it will be 19. Answer will be 19 in two significant figures. Then question number 6 is calculator use, and we are writing like 2 plus, this will be fraction 0.2 over 1.7 minus 0.9, and this will be giving us 3 by 2, or we can write it as 1.5. So it will be 1.5 or 3 by 2. Factorize completely. Question number 7. This one is factorize completely. So we'll have to take a common. So x is common in all and 3 is also common. So we can take 3x common. This will be 4x plus 5y and minus 3. This will be the final factorization. 3x into 4x plus 5y minus 3. This will be our answer. Then comes question number 8. The time t seconds that Jade takes to run a race is 14.3 seconds. Correct one decimal place. So complete this statement. So basically they are asking for lower bound and upper bound. So up to one decimal place will be 14.3, and plus minus we will be adding and subtracting 0.05 basically. If we add this, we will get 14.35, and if we subtract, we will get 14.25. This will be our answer. We cannot switch these sides, so you will have to compulsory write this on this side. How we have calculated? We can just use calculator. 14.3 and plus 0.05. This will be giving us this one, 14.35, and if we subtract this, we will get 14.25. So this is the way. Calculate the area of a circle with diameter 5. So we know that area of a circle is pi r square. Pi r squared is area of the circle, and this one we can diameter, we know d is diameter is equal to half of diameter is equal to r basically. So r will be equal to 9 by 2, which is 4.5. So pi into 4.5 square, this will be the answer. So pi multiplied by 4.5 square, this will be giving us 63.61, or 62, we can write 63.617. So if we round, and we can write 63.6, this will be our answer. 63.6 will be our answer. Now question number 10. The diagram shows two sides of a rhombus A, B, C, D. Write down the coordinates of A. A is this one, so x value will be minus 2 and y value will be 3. So it will be minus 2 and 3. These are the coordinates. Then complete the rhombus ABCD on the grid. We have to complete the rhombus on the grid, and rhombus we can complete this by checking. For example, the diagonal of the rhombus will be like this one. So if lightly I am drawing, this will be the rhombus diagonal. So half and 1, so half and 1, this will be the point. So we can join these points like this one and this one. So this will be the rhombus basically. So draw properly. So this will be the rhombus A, B, C, and this will be point D. Hopefully you understood this as well. Now question number 11. Write the fraction 30 over 54 in its lowest term. So easiest way is like write down just in fraction form 30 over 54, and calculator will give you 5 by 9. So this is 5 by 9, or we can 30 by 54, we can cancel also, like for example by 6 5s are 30 and 6 9s are 54. So this will be 5 by 9. Complete this table. Fraction 9 by 10 in decimal will be like for example 9 divided by 100. I'm using calculator so that you can easily find. So this is 0.09, and percentage will be what? This is over 100, so it will be 9%. 9% like this one. So this will be our answer. Next, question number 12. Without using a calculator, work out this fraction. So we can multiply, but first we'll have to change improper fraction into proper fraction. This will be 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, so 5 by 3. So this will be 5 by 3 minus 11 by 15, and now we can equalize the denominator, multiply by 5, multiply by 5. So this will be 25 over 15 minus 11 over 15. This will be equal to 10 by 15, which is equal to 2 by 3, and 2 by 3 will be our without using calculator, work out this one. Write down all the steps of your working and give your answer as a fraction in its lowest form. Yeah, this is 25 minus 11 will be 14, not 15, 10. So I'll just change this one to 14, and the lowest answer, it's not further simplifiable. So this will be our final answer for this question. This will be our final answer, and we can write over here 14 over 15. Question number 13. From this list of numbers, write down a cube number. Cube number is a number which is which can be written in cube of something. So cube root of, for example, if we check cube root of 343, we will get 7. So 7 cube is basically this one. So we can write 343, and even we can write 7 cube is equal to 343. This one also we can mention that, but this is 1 mark question, only answer is sufficient. This is for your understanding. The smallest number will be this negative 11. So minus 11 is the smallest number. Negative numbers, you must be familiar with this. Then the natural number is basically this one. 343 is natural number, because others are not in set of natural numbers. So question number 14, work out this one. We'll have to just add this, so it will be 3 minus 1 and 2 plus 5. So this will be resulting to 2 and 7. So our answer will be 2 and 7. Then this is subtraction, and subtraction will be 6 minus 4 and 3 minus 2, and this will be resulting to 2, and this will be resulting to 5. So answer will be 2 and 5. Hopefully you are understanding this one. Then comes this one will be multiplication. 4 into 2 will be 8, and 4 into 5 will be 20. So this will be 8 and 20 will be this answer. This is question number 14. C part is done. Question number 15. The diagram shows a regular pentagon, and AB is a line of symmetry. This is line of symmetry. A regular pentagon and line of symmetry. And work out the value of D. So value of D. So in a regular polygon, this is interior angle. So interior angle will be, we can find basically the interior angle and divide it by 2, and we will get the value of this D. So for this one, we can apply, to find interior angle, we can apply 180 minus n minus 2. So divided by the number of sides. So later on we can divide by 2. So this will be equal to 180 multiply by, sorry, not minus. So multiply by n number of sides are 5. So 5 minus 2, and this will be equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 180. 3 into 180 into 3 will be 540. So 540. and we can figure out, like for example, if we split a pentagon into triangles, we'll get 3 triangles. So 3 into 180 also, this one also we can use. So 540 divided by how many angles? We have 5 interior angles, so divided by 5 will be equal to 540 divided by 5 is equal to 108. So 2D will be equal to 108 and D will be equal to 108 divided by 2, and 108 divided by 2 will be 54. So this will be 54 degrees. Answer will be 54 degrees. Question number 16. Calculate the length of BC. BC is this. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. This square is equal to this square plus this one can be x. So we can write 18 square is equal to 8 square plus x square. So x square is equal to 18 square minus 8 square, and x will be equal to root of 18 square minus 8 square, and this will be equal to under root of 18 square minus 8 square, and this will be giving us answer as 16.12. 16.12. Answer will be 16.12. Hopefully you got this. Simplify question number 17. Power rule. So 5 will be multiplied by 2, m into 5 into 2, m raised to power 5 into 2, which will be equal to m raised to power 10. So it will be m raised to power 10. And in this case, B part, 4 multiplied by 5 will be 20, x raised to the power 3 plus 2, because x into x powers will be added, and y into y will be 1 plus 1. So this will be resulting to 20 x raised to a 5 y square. So our answer will be at the proper place, 20 x raised to a 5 y square. Hopefully you understood this. Now question number 18 is simultaneous equation, and we have to solve this simultaneous equation and find the value of x and y. Equation 1 and 2 is given. We can use substitution method or elimination method, whatever you like. So I will use substitution method. Equation 2, this second equation implies y is equal to, I will shift this to this side, and this 6x plus 15. So this is value of y, and I will replace in the first equation. So 3x plus 4 into 6x plus 15 is equal to 6. So I have taken value of y from equation 2 and replaced in equation 1. So 3x plus 24x plus 60, 15 into 4 will be 60, is equal to 6. So 27x is equal to 6 minus 60, which is equal to 54 minus 54, and x is equal to minus 54 over 27, and minus 54 over 27 will be giving us minus 2. So x value is minus 2, x is equal to minus 2, this one, and this value we can replace in any of these two equations. For example, I will replace in equation 1. So 3x, 3 into minus 2 plus 4y is equal to 6. So minus 6 plus 4y is equal to 6. So 4y is equal to 6 plus 6, which is 12. And y is equal to 12 by 4, which is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 will be our answer. So we can write here minus 2 and 3. These will be two answers for this question. Now question number 19 is pie chart. Joan asks 40 people which language they speak at home. The table shows the results. English is 18%, French 11%, Spanish 7%, basically frequency, not percent. So others 4. So pie chart sector angle for this one is 162. So 20 and 30 and 40. Okay, so 40 people, 360. So 18 divided by 40, multiply by 360 will be giving us here. So 18 divided by 40 multiply by 360. This is how we calculated 162 degrees for this angle. And for this also we can calculate 11 divided by 40 into 360, and this sector angle will be 11 divided by 40 and multiply by 360, and we will get 99 degrees for this one. And I will mention here 99, and for this one it will be 7 over 40 into 360, and this will be equal to, so I will change here 7, and we will get angle which is 63 degrees. This will be 63. Now similarly this one can be changed to 4, and we will get angle 36. So for this one we can write 4 over 40 into 360, which is equal to 36. This is how we can find the sector angles. And finally we'll have to double check this. These values should add up to 360 degree. So I'm just adding these all 4 values, and these are adding up to 360 degrees. It means our answer is correct. So table is completed. One part is done. Complete the pie chart. So these angles we have to plot over here with the help of protractor. So 162 is plotted. Now 99 we have to plot for the French. So 99 we can rotate the page according to our convenience, and this is the protractor. We can use this protractor and fix it over here, and 0 line also. After matching this one, we will be taking this one 0, 90, and we need 99. 99 will be over here. So after drawing this one 99, we have to draw the line. So from this one 99 up to the circle we will draw, and right here this angle which is 99 degrees, and 99 degrees you know is what? So I will erase because I have inverted the page, so it's looking like 66. So okay, so this is 99 degrees, and 99 degree is for French, so we can write here French. Then next required is 63 and 36. So 63 we will check from here. So we can check from here. 60 is up to this one, and 63 will be this one. So after this we will be joining from here. This will be 63, and 63 value is for Spanish. So we can write here 63 degrees, and this will be Spanish. Now this remaining angle is 4 degrees, and not 4 degrees. This should be 36 degrees. So this angle is 36 degrees. We will mention over here 36 degrees, and 36 degrees is others. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So everything is properly done. Now B part is saying Mansoor also asks some people which language they speak at home. In Mansoor's pie chart, the sector angle for Portuguese is 108. Write down the fraction of these people who do not speak Portuguese at home. So 360 minus fraction basically is required. So it will be 360 minus 108 will be 252. So we will be writing fraction as 252 over 360, and this will be our answer. We can write 252 over 360. Now question number 20a part. Diagram is provided. The diagram shows a small rectangle. Small rectangle is this white portion. Side a large rectangle. Inside a large rectangle. Okay, so large rectangle is this one. This is a small rectangle. Work out the shaded area. So we can first find the area of this bigger rectangle. So area of bigger shape, or big, I will write big rectangle. Area of big rectangle will be equal to 10.4 multiplied by 12.8, and this will be equal to 10.4 multiplied by 12.8, and this will be resulting to this one 133.12. 133.12 will be this area, and then we will be finding the area of the inner one. So area of small rectangle, this will be equal to 6.7 into 9.2, and this will be 6.7 into 9.2, and this will be resulting to 61.64, and area required will be equal to 133.12 minus 61.64, and we can write this one 133.12 minus 61.64, and this will be giving us 71.48. This is equal to 71.48 centimeter square. So 71.48 will be our answer. Hopefully you understood this question. B part, this cuboid is provided, and we have to work out the surface area of the cuboid. So first of all, we will calculate surface area of this side, and surface area of this side will be 5 into 2, which will be 10. So this side will be 10, and there will be an opposite side also, and this opposite side will also be 10. So this will be 10 plus 10, this side plus this side. And now we will be drawing this one, and we will be finding the base. This base will be 8 multiplied by 2 will be 16, and the top as well. So top will be 16 plus 16, it will be 32. So 16 plus 16, and now front will be what? Facing area. Facing area, this height is 5 into 8 will be 40. So 40, and the back side will also be 40. So this will be the surface area. So this will be 10 plus 10 plus 16 plus 16 plus 40 plus 40, and this is adding up to 132 centimeters square. So answer at the proper place over here will be 132 centimeters square. Question number 21. The diagram shows a rectangle ABCD. So ABCD is provided A part. In this part, use a straight edge and compasses only, and show your construction arcs. Construct the bisector of angle DCB. Bisector of angle DCB is required. So we will take the compass and we will draw bisector. So we will be drawing first arc over here, and after this arc we will be opening this compass and drawing an arc over here, and the same size we will be opening and making another arc. So this is done. This is basically the angle bisector of this one. So after the angle bisector of DCB is done, this will be the angle bisector. Angle bisector is drawn. Then the perpendicular bisector of DC. Perpendicular bisector of DC also we can draw. How we will be drawing? We'll be opening a little more than this, more than half, and making an arc on the top and at the bottom also. And then the same size we will be keeping of the compass, and we'll be fixing over D, and then we will be intersecting and making getting 2 points, and we'll have to join these 2 points to get the intersection, basically bisector. This will be the angle, this will be the side bisector. So this is the bisector, we have bisected it. Now shade the region, B part. B part is shade the region containing the points inside the rectangle. So points should be inside the rectangle that are nearer to D than C. Nearer to D than C. So it should be on this side, closer to this one. So it should not be on this side of the line. So first condition. The second condition is nearer to BC than DC. Nearer to BC than DC. So nearer to BC than DC. So for this one we will have to extend this line. If we extend this line up to the rectangle boundary over here, see this region is on this side and closer to BC than DC. So if we shade this one, I'll move a little low. So this will be the area which is required basically. So this area is on, basically I'll explain this one. So this area is on this side, so it is closer to D than C, closer to D than C, so on this side, and it is closer to BC, closer to BC than DC. So these are the two conditions which it is satisfying, and we have shaded this area. Hopefully you understood each and everything of this paper. So I tried my best to explain. Hopefully you liked the video. So don't forget to subscribe the channel Maths TV, and also press bell icon so that you will be getting intimation for incoming videos as well. And suggest this channel to your friends and class fellows, and also introduce this channel to your respective teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.